Hi friends, it's Deanna here today, and I'm coming at you with a new hack. I love wrap dresses, and I was thinking, why can't I combine the Miami wrap top and the wrapped in love dress to create the perfect wrapped dress? So let's see. We're gonna try it together. Let's do it. We'll start this pattern by working the Miami wrap top, which basically I am using the Miami wrap top with the peplum bodice cut line. I am sewing the back and front of the liner and the back and front of the outers at the shoulder seams. I am using a double brush poly for both fabrics, the liner and the outer. For the liner, I'm using a color that matches my skin tone. The reason why is because the pattern on my other fabric, I don't want it to show through my bodice when I put it on. As I'm sewing the shoulders, I'm also going to go ahead and make my ties. Since I'm using the peplum version to create this wrap dress, I'm going to use the one where it has one long tie and one short tie. I'm creating this tie by sewing the short raw edge, the long raw edges right sides together and one of the short edges. We're gonna grab our ties and turn them right side out. Next, we're going to go ahead and turn our tie over. I have a turning tool that I like to use to turn my tie over. You can check out our channel where Nye has a review on different turning tools, so you can find a turning tool that you love to use. It makes the job so much easier. Once our ties are turned, you can go ahead and give them a good press. And then we're gonna lay out our front. This is my right bodice, my outer. And I'm gonna grab the left side. I'm going to go an inch up from the edge, and I'm gonna place my strap right in there. Now, because I'm doing a shorter version of the peplum top, it just kind of fits, that tie fits right there really nicely. And I'm just going to pin it on. Actually, mine doesn't even go quite an inch above it. It goes a little bit less than an inch. So now that that's pinned on there, we're going to, you can go ahead and actually baste it on. Now we're gonna match our front, our outer, and our liners together, encasing that strap. For a more detailed view on how to sew this pattern up, please check out our full sewing tutorial on the Miami wrap top. At the back piece, we're going to attach the short strap, and then we're going to bring that front piece, that same front piece, down over it and close it in, close that side in. Once the strap is added, we're gonna grab our liner piece, and we're gonna put our back side up, and then our fronts are gonna come right over so we can sew those side seams, right sides together. Let's finish up our top by grabbing that last side seam of your right sides together and sewing them together. Now you can go ahead and give it a really good steam. And if you want to, you can go ahead and place some snaps in this corner. I did not add interfacing because I wasn't planning on doing a snap, but if you want to do a snap on there, it actually keeps it from falling down. This piece pulling down and falling down. But our top is almost done. We just have to add sleeves and work on our skirt. So we can work on our skirt first, or you can work on your sleeves. There will be inset sleeves, whatever sleeve you choose to do on this dress. I am still kind of undecided, so I might go ahead and finish the whole dress, try it on, and then figure out exactly what sleeves I want to do. Now that we're done with our bodice and all we have left to do is the sleeves, I'm still not sure what kind of sleeve I want to do because there are so many options on this Miami wrap top sleeves. There's flutter sleeve, there's like double flutter, there's a wider sleeve, there are so many options. So I think I'm going to wait on that. I'm going to try it on first and see what I feel, how I feel, if I want a flutter or if I want just a regular sleeve, and do that. So we're gonna move on to do our skirt now with our Wrapped in Love skirt. We'll start by hemming the inside of our skirt, our front skirt panels. Now we're gonna grab our back skirt and we're gonna sew up those panels right on the side of the back skirt, right sides together. Making sure that you're placing the correct panels together. If you're adding pockets, you will be adding them right now. And you can follow the pocket instructions on the video for this pattern. Now I am adding a long basting stitch at the top of my skirt. Now we're going to attach our skirt to our bodice. So we're gonna grab our bodice and we're going to open it right up to our skirt. As you can see, our skirt is a little bit wider than our bodice. So what we're going to do is we're going to gather that skirt to fit our bodice. I'm pulling on my basting stitch to gather my skirt. I like to pull from both sides so I can make it an even gather. Make sure your gathers are nice and even. Now we're going to go to one side and then to the other side. And we're going to sew them together, right sides together. Making sure that you catch both your liner and your outer. All right, friends, we're basically finished. We just need to add the sleeves, but I wanted to try it on and show you all how it's coming along. And I did put something on underneath it so I could show you. So it's a full wrap. So right here is where you would put that that little snap or something like that to keep it from opening, and you can snap it on there as you put it on. You can use a hook and loop, you can use whatever you want to use to keep that down, or really you can just tie it over and it pretty much stays. I don't think it's gonna come open, come down. And if it does come down a little bit, I don't think it really messes up the look. And then there's the tie right here on the side. And I think it's super cute. You could, I don't think you even need to baste it together because it just kind of wraps around on its own. It's got a little bit of gathering in the back, so it gives it a really nice look. I just don't really know what I'm gonna do about the sleeves because it's super cute, sleeveless, but I think it would look super cute with that flatter sleeve. So comment below and let me know what you think I should do. I had also cut out short sleeves, but I feel like this needs a little bit of like a flowy sleeve. I'm not sure. Comment below and let me know what you think I should do. And then the only thing left is to hem, and that is it. So if you have questions about how to do any of the sleeves, go check out our sewing tutorial of this Miami wrap top where I show how to put those sleeves on. Also on the sides right here where we serge the two together, this little tail needs to be tucked in and sewn together, and you can find a video tutorial on how to sew in our tails or serge our tails, and just do that and we are done. What do you think? Let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial. Comment, like, share, subscribe if you haven't. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I hope that you try this hack and show it to us on our Facebook page and let me know how you love it. I'll see you all next time. Bye.